All right, this is the homework for Wednesday, January 10th. All right. Number 1, we have a strip diagram, and it says solve for m. Remember, we use variables, which are letters, to stand for an unknown number. So just think of this m as like a question mark. We're trying to figure out what this piece is. Okay, from here to here. Now, first, we have 3 groups of 32 here. So that is multiplication. I have 3 equal groups of 32. So there's not a lot of room on this one, so I'm sorry. I'm going to do 32 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So that means that this whole thing is 96. Now, so 96 is our total, but we've got a piece right here that's 4, and then we're trying to figure out what the rest of it is. So if the total is 96, but we want to take away this chunk of 4. So we've just got to do 96 minus 4, which is 92. So m equals 92. All right, number 2. Find the missing dimension. And remember, dimensions are the length and width. So it tells us the perimeter is 18 feet, the length is 6 feet. So the missing dimension here is the width, which is what we're going to try to figure out. So we've always talked about drawing a picture when they don't have one. So the length is 6 feet. So I'm going to label 6 feet here and here. And I'm missing the widths. So I don't know that one and I don't know that one. Oops, that was kind of funny. Now, perimeter is adding all the sides. So I'm going to set up my problem over here. Perimeter, I need to add 6 plus 6 plus something plus something. So I'm going to write that out. 6 plus 6 plus something equals my perimeter, which I already know is 18. Okay, now 6 plus 6 is 12, plus whatever these 2 missing sides together. We don't know what that's going to be yet, but we know the perimeter is 18. So 12 plus what number is 18? Well, 12 plus 6 is 18. Now, a lot of people get confused and then think that the answer is 6. Remember, both of these sides together make 6. So this side plus this side is 6. And if we know about rectangles is that these 2 sides are the same length. So what number plus itself equals 6? 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the missing length here, or sorry, the missing width is actually 3. Okay. And number 3. Brittany bought 7 birthday cakes. She spent $124 on each cake. How much did Brittany spend? Well, let's think about our groups times each equals total. She spent $124 on each cake. 124. And 7 cakes, so there's 7 groups. We are trying to figure out the total, so we're multiplying. 124 times 7. Remember, you put the small number, the single digit number on the bottom, and you multiply it by each place value of your larger number when you're doing a multi-digit times a 1 digit. So first I do 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Write down the ones place, carry the tens. Now I do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Don't worry about this number until after you multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So the answer is $868. Okay, good job.